How to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Facebook profile picture quietly so your friends won't get a notification about it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on your profile picture. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply select choose profile picture. And now here on the next page, it will prompt you to the gallery section. From here, you simply have to select the photo from your gallery, or you can simply take a new one as well. And here, once you're done selecting the photo, on the next page at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as share your update to newsfeed. So simply uncheck that option. And once you're done with it, simply tap on save. And with that, it will ensure that no one is notified about your Facebook profile picture update. And that's it. That's how you can update your profile picture without notifying anyone on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.